Hello everyone. This is K. Surya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. This video, we are going to see the biography of Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born in Skopje, Macedonia on August 26, 1910. Her family was of Albanian descent. At the age of 12, she felt strongly the call of God. She knew she had to be a missionary to spread the love of Christ. At the age of 18, she left her parental home in Skopje and joined the Sisters of Loreto, an Irish community of nuns with missions in India. After a few months training in Dublin, she was sent to India, where on May 24, 1931, she took her initial oaths as a nun. From 1931 to 1948, Mother Teresa taught at St. Mary's High School in Calcutta, but the sufferings and poverty she glimpsed outside the convent walls made such a deep impression on her that in 1948 she received permission from her superiors to leave the convent school and devote herself to working among the poorest of the poor in the slums of Calcutta. Although she had no funds, she depended on divine providence and started an open air school for slum children. Soon she was joined by voluntary helpers and financial support was also forthcoming. This made it possible for her to extend the scope of her work. On October 7, 1950, she received permission from the Holy See to start her own order, the Missionaries of Charity, whose primary task was to love and care for those persons nobody was prepared to look after. In 1965, the society became an international religious family by a decree of Pope Paul VI. Today, the order comprises active and contemplative branches of sisters and brothers in many countries. In 1963, both the contemplative branches of the sisters and the active branch of the brothers was founded. In 1979, the contemplative branch of the brothers was added, and in 1984, the priest branch was established. The Society of Missionaries has spread all over the world, including the former Soviet Union and Eastern European countries. They provide effective help to the poorest of the poor in a number of countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, and they undertake relief work in the wake of natural catastrophes such as floods, epidemics, and famine, and for refugees. The order also has houses in North America, Europe, and Australia, where they take care of the shut-ins, alcoholics, homeless, and AIDS sufferers. The Missionaries of Charity throughout the world was aided and assisted by co-workers who became an official international association on March 29, 1969. By the 1990s, there were over 1 million co-workers in more than 40 countries. Along with the co-workers, the lay missionaries of charity tried to follow Mother Teresa's spirit and charism in their families. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized and acclaimed throughout the world. She has received a number of awards and distinctions, including the Pope John Peace Prize in 1971 and Nehru Prize for her promotion of international peace and understanding in 1972. She also received the Balzan Prize and the Templeton Magsaysay Awards. Thank you.